Hello, my favorite students. Today we're going to make a scoring tool. It's really helpful to have a tool with lots of pins in it. So you know how tedious it gets when you're just using your needle tool to score. You know, you have to just cross-hatch so many times. Well, now we're gonna make a scoring tool so you can do it 4 or 5 times as fast. So it's gonna look like this. It's just 4 or 5 pins that are glued together. That's simple. There's 2 different ways you can do it. First, you need pins. So I'm gonna get 4 pins, and then I need to tape them together so that they stay the right distance apart. Then I'm gonna just fold it over so they stay right there. The last step is to just take some hot glue and just stick them together. Anyway, I'm gonna let that dry for a little bit. The other way you can do it, we have something here, it's plumber's putty. It's called Odie Fix-A-Stick plumber's putty. I'm just gonna take a little knife. I'm gonna cut a piece off. You don't need very much. It gets a little piece like this. Can you see that? And this is an epoxy. So basically, you just have to mix the white and the gray piece together so that you can't see the 2 different colors. And what that does is when it dries, it hardens really stiff. All right, I'm just gonna keep mixing this and mixing it. It's like I just wedged this little piece to make it homogeneous. I'm gonna just fold that tape over. And then with this, can you see it okay? Then I'm just gonna stick that in there. So there we go. I'm gonna let that dry and it should be ready to use. Look, this hot glue now is ready. So with a regular needle tool, to stick 2 pieces together, you have to score, go back and score again and again. This takes a lot of work. But with this finished scoring tool, I can just go like that. That's all the scoring. I'm done scoring.